Okay, all right.
We're going to walk and we trot at sea.
Yeah, what we'll do is, I'll put my hand up. Okay, so watch, this is the go. It's, yeah, you'll walk 3 steps and then go, but everybody else get you ready to go. Okay, ready, go. Go, already go. No gaps.
Go.
Go, go, go. Rest of me, as a mile. Virginia! Sarah shouts at Virginia, she's got a mile. Keep up, Virginia! Keep up! Step. Good, nice circle. Good tempo, Becca, keep the tempo. Good people, nice, hit there. Virginia and Carrie Ann. Yeah, okay, you're good now, Carrie Ann. Virginia, closer. What's coming next, everybody? Tail, down the centre line.
Circle, follow my lead.
Lovely, Rebecca, lovely, lovely your shouting, keep it up. Carrie, shout a bit. Yeah. Straight, line at sea.
Who's going left?
One's going right.
One's going right.
Two's going left.
Straight, 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 straight.
One's right.
Who's left?
Turn across the school.
Turn across the school.
Go on, cut the corner.
Single horse facing.
Cut the corner, cut it, you're down, cut it. 2, 1, no calling, keep cool. What a mess. Sarah, the ball's yours.
Turn across the school.
Wait for Sarah.
3, 2, 1, turn.
Watch Pat, Sarah. Virginia, keep up, you're far behind. What's coming next?
Scissors.
Scissors.
Yeah, what do you need to know?
One horse resistance.
And what do you have to aim for? Aim for bottoms, good. Yeah, pull up, Carrie, you're too close. Go, Pat, you're behind. Go, Pat, go. Drop, you don't cancel, drop.
Passing left.
To left again, guys. Double scissors.
Keep the spacing. Get on the walls before being Becca and Pat. On the wall before being So Pat, she needs to be slightly ahead of you. Good. Pull up, Becca. Pull up. We're a little bit too close. Rebecca, sorry.
Hit the wall. Keep in mind, Rebecca.
Rebecca's doing a different line. You've got to follow Pat's line. And you're too close. That's it. Okay. You're not following Pat's line, but you're going nicely. What's next?
Come down the centre line in pairs.
What do you have to do first?
Close up.
Close up. Come on, close up. Talk to each other. Close up, everyone. There's a mile. Close up. Close up. On tails. On tails. Knees touching.
Concentric circles, guys.
Knees touching.
2, 1, circle.
Tap, 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 tap. Good. Good, guys. Go, go, go.
Turn in pairs. First pair right.
Push on, push on.
Outside horses, push on. Outside horses, push on. Whack him, whack him. That's it.
Forward.
Just trot, just trot.
Resting everyone.
Close up. Actually, go ahead. Actually, got to be a tiny bit ahead because we've got it. Good. Good. Rebecca, get ready for your cantering, yeah?
Box.
Box, yeah. Meet your partner. Becca, tell him you've got your whip. Say nose. Tell him you've got your whip. Smack him. Becca, smack him. Go, go, go. You're getting behind. Go. Go. Look where he is.
Cantering.
Good, Rebecca. Good. Meet your partner. Sit back. Well done. Well done. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Smack him on the shoulder. Smack. Go, go, go. Come on, that's it. Yeah. Good. Good girl. Okay, you're faster than her anyway, so that's good. Go, 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 go.
2 laps.
Sit back, sit back, sit back. Go square with him, Sarah. Go square. Square. Put him out. Don't put him in. Put him out. Out. Right into the wall. Sit back. Right into the corner. Right into the corner. Right in a square. They can go bigger than yours. Outside ready. Pull hard. 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 That's it. Yeah. That's it. Good. Good girl. That's it. Well done. Cross in. What you got to do?
Box.
Good. What do you have to do for lacing? Spacing for lacing. Yeah. Left to left, guys. Always left to left. Go back quickly. Slow down, Rebecca. Rebecca, let me get in front of you. Get on the wall, Rebecca. Carol, catch up.
Ooh.